Post ice storm. Took a ride up here today. A lot of branches down, a lot of ice underneath the snow here. This is our mess. Picked this up. This was all laying on the building. No structure damage, but as you can see, there's branches and little saplings everywhere. Across the street, okay. And then down here, this is all right. We took all these branches down. They were all laying on the fence. Some of these came off the big pine tree here, but pretty much debranched naturally this whole tree. So I guess we don't have to have the tree trimmer come this year. And everything was laying in there. Luckily, not one glass pane or window or door was broke. Looks like down the way doesn't look too bad. I'll get another video down there quick before I leave. There's a river. You can see it's open way out. But this tree took the brunt of a lot of this.